If you don't want your files in your computer to be visible to any user of your computer, in this video, I will show you how Windows do it for you. Now let's get started. On your Windows search bar, key in gpedit.msc and hit enter to open the local group Ployc editor window. Under the user configuration, navigate to Administrative Templates. Then, Windows Components. Then File Explorer. Then, double-click on Hide these specified drive in my computer. Then, select Enabled. Now you can select the drives you wanted to be invisible in the File Explorer of your computer. Let's try the drive D. Now drive D is gone. If you want to reverse the changes you made, just select Disable.